Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Okay, we're on. You guys, maziwa, one thing about me. Mazwari ni sinima gonda zama zokangana ndi anthu pa social media. Sinima gonda kuyankha. Anthu mmandinena mmatani, I don't respond. Koma on this one, I will respond chifayona nakuti zokamba ndezachuluka. Okay? Chris Loga akupanga send off. At that time, akupanga plan, ineyo nali ndapanga kale plan oti ndopita ku Italy. And ku Italy mene mapita ko, inali birthday ya Munanga. I told Chris, I communicated. Ine ku send off ndikhalapo chifayona nakuti ife ndopita ku Italy. And kasomo kuziwa so nthawi imene nali ku Italy, ni nthawi imene Chris amapanga ka send off wake. There was no way I could have missed my husband's birthday just because oti ndikakhale ku send off. Now, nthawi chikwati. Chris namuza, tutananduza ndipite kuchikwati. Ine napanga dress langa lija, you already know. Nasokesa dress langa kuti ndipite kuchikwati. Then my daughter comes and says, "Good mommy, Nesa nafuna mupita naye ku Malawi." And Nesa nakusekera school lero, in fact Friday is today. Akusekera school lero. Then we are planning unana kuti next week Chris yosa akuziwa tubwera ku Malawi ndi mwana afuna kaone ku Malawi janchani. So how was I going to come wiki inoyo ndikhale ku Malawi, then wiki amawa ndibwera so ku Malawi, knowing kunena kuti ndikuyenda ndekha, ndikuyenda ndi mwana, and it's very expensive to fly business class ndi mwana from Malawi from America kukafika ku Malawi. If you can Google, it's about $11,000-12,000 US round trip for both of us. Then ndimaona makosti kuti it's a bit too much. Ineyo far as Chris wedding contribution yanga drama ndampasa. So what else do you want somebody to do? I did whatever I had to do to support him. And izizi zamanena kuti aisana bide kuchikwati yezo kudabwisa chanchani. You know, I couldn't help it. Koma sudi neyo sinabide kuchikwati because of other reasons. My reasons I can damino. Koma ngati muntu wena akuziva zodi sizukumveka, it doesn't make sense to them, then it's okay. But for me, ndimaiwana course yonena kuti wiki ndipite kuchikwati. Then next week, ndipite so ku Malawi. You all know I fly business class, and business class is not like an economy ticket. Yorukoza ungonyamuka yomawa nkubida kumwelako. So that's the reason why sinase kubida kuchikwati. Koma I communicated ndi Chris namuza, and this on drama yanga so show contribution yanga so Chris yoso anayira. Nde chimene mafuna kuti ndibange ndichani. But anyway, ndikuzwa kuti Alice namulakwira chani. I thought she was my friend. Timacheza pena me and her we've been communicating, and ndiwana ngati kuti even this issue anakhala kuti yamukhuza kwambiri kuti kodi chacha bwanji sanapite kuchikwati cha Chris. She has my number. Timacheza, she could have called me kundifusa. Koma ndikuzwa pa my issues anthu ena because I'm so close to Isagondwe. Ne aliyese amene amayambana ndi Isagondwe amona ngati kuti ineyo ndimakhala like I'm part of it. Olo mwina ineyo ndimamuza Isa what to do kapena kachanchani. I'm not a person who go on social media. I don't do those things. In fact, since I've been on a social media, to go on a live. Why I have done that is because Chris manager. I take Chris family. When Chris come to the US, I'm a karandine, Jani, different hamozi, different wodi, Kajanjani, and Palibe any issue, remaining kanene kuti I have got a problem with Chris, kapena kachanchani. That palibe vuto linali rose. Koma, you have to understand kuti zinthu zimachitika. Pena mufuma kanika kuti upite ku event yawo yo chanchani. Koma ngati watumiza contribution yako, you are there, So all I can say is I think I've answered your question. Send my phone because once you guys you are, I don't like it. I just don't like it. I hate it. In fact, Paribe Samena would do a TCO, Mofaji, my managers, aki sakuzowa kuti inenda panga live komano nangopanga fana kuti sinimafuna zoti tizingokhalira mawowo tizikhalira ma issues we are not sending akulu. We've got other things to focus on than kuti tizipangana fight picking on kuti chacha napanga chacha koma chacha napanga mwakuti. I don't have that time. So Alice, ineyo as your friend, or maybe you can call me, maybe I'm not your friend because of you guys mabana disakondo kajan, I don't know. Koma ineyo as your friend, ndimbira phone, nesa ndimakuimbira phone. Imajeza you and me. Nimeona ngati chinali chinthu cholondola kundiyimbira kundifunsa kuti komatu chacha pani sunapite kuje ku event ya Chris kupa zose bwinobwino. And if you think that I'm lying, you can even ask Chris himself. He knows that we are flying into Malawi next week. There's no way nagakwera kumene. And one time I posted something on the social media, nabolesa ujeri mikango, it's Los Lions, my grandson wants to see this. I've been asking you guys, would you pass my hint out Zambia? Of course I don't tell people when I'm flying in Malawi, limango wera. Komano because of Chipwili Gidi Ichichi, that's the reason why ineyo naganika kuti ndiwere pano, ndiwere so next week because in Mona kuti kosiyanga ndiyambiri. So, zokamba zindi kuzimva. A lot of people are saying so many things. I've been ignoring. Komano, ineyo, all I can say is kuti I think before you go live, kumakamba nkhani, it's better to approach and tukafusa bunobuno kuti kodi chikuchitika ndi chani. Because ababa, you are just creating honey kopanda nkhani. So anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Ineyo, you can say whatever you want to say about me. This is the last Ujeni, live mentabange. You are most welcome to talk anything you want to say about me. It's okay. It's fine. Komano Ineo, I'm just disappointed. Kuti you have my number and I have your number. Mamudu kwela ukandifuse kumaona kuti ndijoyenera kuti mupange live and hambe kugamba za chacha. Ineo ndukuze. One of somebody else, let me just give another example. Last week somebody sent me something kuti video. Let me tell you something about Chacha. Maybe you don't know today. I don't give a shit what people talk about me. I don't care. Why I don't care? That's why I don't respond. Antu sama genda ntengo odu ulibe zipato. This is what my auntie taught me a long time ago. I'm out there. There are some people who love me. There are some people who not love me. So all of nene and Dizani, it's okay. Daniel said right now, since I've been on the social media, what is my affected? When I was feeling sorry for my daughter, could you as a Cherajira Banji, but nice I'm a bank understand now this is life my younger. She's out there, people will say good, will say bad. I'm not a person who likes to fight with people. I love everybody, and in Kakawudi, you are close to me. But if you betray me, in a so I'm not trying to say anything Jordani or all I'm saying is good. In this Chris story, think I know that we not yes I bank that we Jidani in a Chris, there's no Jidani. So no later Chris, the Montana like I said, to me, Chris Montoya Woody Ninganena Dandan, he's close to me. We are like one family. His sister, as Baraga was said, they know me. So anyway, enjoy the conversation, enjoy whatever you want to say. Even Cecilia and Kazuake, I sent her a message. Namuza, Cecilia, I'm sorry, I wish Nagabuira Komazashi and Zabud. She told me, Chris Wanduza and Danva, Komano Nagabuera in Nagapaper 1 billion. And she even said, would you come 1 billion drama Jandarandi? There Mufuna wouldn't the Bangashan, Mafuna wouldn't Dani. So anyway, have a good day. I'm going back to work to make some more dollars. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.